Welcome back, children. So we will do in second we will do the interrogative questions sentence. आप इसको question से learn करना है, question से learn कर लो. If you are able to learn this word, this very big word interrogative, then you can learn this. Okay, but pronunciation you will properly practice. Declarative, assertive, interrogative. ठीक है, inter यहाँ पे break करो, rogative, इंटेरोगेटिव. ठीक है, इंटेरोगेटिव या फिर ऐसे कर लो इंटेरोगेटिव. इंटेरोगेटिव. ओके, इंटेरो देन गेटिव. Interrogative sentence. Okay, so interrogative, this has come from which word? Interrogation. आपने interrogation word सुना होगा. पुलिस interrogation के लिए लेके जाती है. Interrogation is question answers, questioning के लिए लेके जा रही है. So that is why interrogative sentence. These are the question sentence. Those sentences that ask questions are questions or an interrogative sentence. या तो हम उनको क्वेश्चंस बोलते हैं और इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. यू लर्न दिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, नाउ ऑब्वियसली क्वेश्चंस they always end with the question mark. एक क्वेश्चन मार्क से एंड होते हैं. that is interrogative sentence. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, where are you coming from? Okay, they always start with where, what, how. These are the questions. How old are you? How are you? How many pens do you have? How many toys do you have? It always starts with where, what. Okay, which girl is standing there? Okay, this kind of these kinds of word wh word के साथ start होते हैं. wh word means what, where. Okay, whom. Okay, whom are you talking to? Question mark. किससे बात कर रहे हो तुम? What. ठीक है, what is the time by a watch? What is your name? Okay, what are you doing? These are all question sentence, and always you have to put question mark. If you are not putting question mark at the end, that means it will become wrong. Okay, पूछने में, in talking, in speaking English, that is the tone. वहाँ पे आपका tone work करेगा. Where are you coming from? The tone will work. But when you are writing, then you have to put question mark. Okay, what is the time by a watch? Okay, this is the tone that will actually give the sense that okay, you are asking question. What is your name? Okay, what is your name? Okay, that is a tone when you are speaking. But when you are writing, you have to put question mark. That is because question mark is the thing that tells you that we can identify that the sentence is a question. Okay, that the sentence is a question. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Now coming to third. Now third beta why I have not taken from the book. Now book it is written commands. ठीक है, it is only written commands, but actually it's not commands. Okay, it is imperative. ठीक है, why? Because it is saying that it orders somebody, that is commands. Fine, advise somebody and then request somebody. तो आप उसको request को command थोड़ा ना बोल सकते हो, है ना. Command is ordering someone, sit down, open the window, this is command. But when I am here, please give me your pen, this is the request. No, ये मैं किसी को ऑर्डर थोड़ा ना कर रही हूँ. दिस आई एम नॉट ऑर्डरिंग समवन, बट इफ़ आई वुड हैव सेड गिव मी योर पेन, ये कमांड बन जाता. देन इट वुड हैव बिकम command. Okay, but whenever there is a please, then it should not be a command, then it becomes an imperative sentence. It's a request, it becomes imperative sentence. ठीक है, imperative sentence includes commands, requests, everything. Suggestions, suggest भी करते हैं ना किसी को. For example, go to my friend, go to a doctor. Here in the exercise we have, that is an imperative. It is a suggestion you are giving to someone. Okay, the sentence that gives commands or orders somebody. Okay, stand up, sit down, go there, come here. These are orders. These are commands. You are giving commands and orders to someone. Okay, or gives advice भी देता है ये sentence. It gives also advice and suggestions. Okay, and suggestions. or request somebody. For example, this, please give me a glass of water, please give me a pen to write. This is request. ठीक है, when you are adding please, when you are writing please, that means it's a request. Okay, it is not an order, because please or itself is a word of request. Please अब करते हो ना किसी को please, that is request. Okay, that is request. So that request somebody is called command or an imperative sentence. Commands or an imperative sentence. Commands मैंने आपको this I think it should not be there, it should be imperative sentence. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू विल हैव टू टेक केयर. आपको ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा कि ये कमांड है या ये रिक्वेस्ट है. अंडरस्टूड. बट यू कैन नॉट राइट समवेयर रिक्वेस्ट. आप रिक्वेस्ट नहीं लिख सकते, ये इसके अंडर में ही आता है. ठीक है, अगर वो रिक्वेस्ट है देन यू राइट इम्परेटिव. आप देन वहाँ पे क्या लिखो, इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज रिक्वेस्ट, सो आई विल राइट imperative, not command. ठीक है, this is command, open the window. This is command. This is I am ordering someone that open the window. So this is command. Okay, now they end with the full stop. Yes, all the sentence end with the full stop except question. This sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, now the extra one is exclamatory sentence. Now exclamatory sentence is something that is stating emotions. It's telling, it's the sentence which is full of emotions. हम उनके पीछे या उनके बीच में ये चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं. This is exclamatory marks. This you will do in class 5th in detail. Okay, this is exclamatory mark. For example, wow करते हैं ना, wow, beautiful. This is, and then exclamatory mark. That means I'm full of emotions. Exclamatory sentence. I'm exclamatory. Okay, I'm exclaiming with emotions. Wow, that is so beautiful. And then I'm putting this. This is exclamatory. Okay, this is exclamatory. I hope you have understood till here. Now coming to the exercise of the book. Now here it, as it is written that you have to write C for commands. Now अब यहाँ पे देखना, यहाँ पे in this sentence we also have request. Okay, we also have request here. Requests are also there. You cannot write it as command, but यहाँ पे direction दिया है, that is why you have to write as C. As the direction is given that you should write C here, then you'll have to write C. Okay, Pongal is a popular harvest festival. Now this is statement, so you will write S here because it is stating something. It is telling us that Pongal is a popular harvest festival. In which state is Pongal mainly celebrated? And here is a small question mark. In which state is Pongal mainly celebrated? So this should be question. Okay, this should be question. Ma'am, tell us some stories connected with Pongal. Now this is actually not a command. ये बच्चे टीचर को कमांड नहीं दे रहे हैं, they are actually requesting. So since it is written that we have to write C for the command, C for those kinds of sentences, we cannot write I here. So that is why we will write C actually. But actually ये क्या है? This is a request. It's a request that children, they are requesting, ma'am, tell us some stories connected with Pongal. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. Now this is a request. This is not a command. Since it is written C, आपको C लिखना है, so that is why you will write C here. Actually it is a request. आप किसी को ऑर्डर थोड़ा ना करते हो कि मेरी शादी में आना है तुमने, या मेरी बहन की शादी में आना है तुमने. You don't order someone that you have to come. You request. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. Now it's his or her wish that whether he or she will come or not. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. So since it is written that we have to write C, then we'll write C here. My parents will be happy to meet you. This is statement. This is statement. This statement is telling that my parents will be happy to meet you. Where is the wedding being celebrated? Obviously this question mark, so it will be question. We have made arrangements for the wedding at Tivoli Gardens. Now this is statement because it is stating something. It is telling someone that we have made arrangements of the wedding in the Tivoli Gardens. My friend, you should go to a doctor. Now this is a suggestion. ये किसी को हम एडवाइस दे रहे हैं, किसी को सजेशन दे रहे हैं, एडवाइस दे रहे हैं. You should go to a doctor. So since it is written that we have to write C, so we'll write C here. Okay, but actually this is a suggestion. आप किसी को suggest कर रहे हो. my friend should go to a doctor. Then coming to my friend, do you want to go to a doctor? And then question mark, this is question, obviously this is question. My friend go to a doctor. Now this is a command, ये command है, ये किसी को order दिया जा रहा है कि my friend please go to the doctor, do go to a doctor. ठीक है, this is a command, this is the order being given to the person who is not well. Okay, my friend go to a doctor. Understood? I hope you have understood till here. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can ask in your English homework group in WhatsApp.